In front of me is REDMI Pad Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder. Begin by opening Recorder app and tapping on this red button at the bottom. Then hit while using the app and allow. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the left button. To add a bookmark, click on the right one, and to end it and save it on the middle one. To play your recording, click on it, hit allow and wait, then click on it again. If you want to rename it, hold it, select rename, type in wherever you want to and hit OK. If you want to delete it, hold it again. This time select delete and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!